Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest updates related to defense sector. Today we are going to talk about India's one of the most futuristic, ambitious and least known aerospace project. It is none other than DRDO's stealth unmanned bomber Ghatak drones, which translates to lethal. Ghatak is still the unmanned combat air vehicle being developed by DRDO for Indian Air Force. What makes it so special is that much of the information about this project is classified and very few information is available in public domain. Today, we will analyze those information and take you through the saga of Ghatak drones, which is going to be the game-changer UCAV for Indian Armed Forces. The Aeronautical Development Agency (ADA), responsible for designing, describes the Ghatak as self-defending high-speed UAV with weapon-firing capability. ADA is developing Ghatak in conjunction with IIT Kanpur. From the first look of Ghatak, it appears to be a miniature version of B-2 Spirit bomber. Ghatak is being developed for deep penetration strike without being detected in radar. Due to its small size, stealth design and use of radar-absorbent material, makes it almost invisible on the enemy's radar. It has a stealthy flying wing design with a tailless and undefined fuselage concept. The serpentine air intake and an internal weapon bay further adds to its stealth capabilities. Ghatak will be using the fluid thrust vectoring technology to change the direction more efficiently. Scientists and professors from IIT Kanpur and ADA have developed a thrust vectoring system which was made especially for Ghatak. The Ghatak drones will be capable of flying at a medium altitude of 30,000 feet and weigh less than 15 tons. The UAV will be capable of releasing missiles, bombs, precision-guided munitions, and will have rail launching for the same. It can also be used in various operations such as intelligence gathering and reconnaissance. A subscale flying model called Swift Stealth Wing Flying Testbed, which is a technology demonstrator, has been designed and built in collaboration with Aeronautical Development Establishment (ADE) to prove the technologies for Ghatak. The main aim of Swift is to demonstrate stealth and high-speed landing technology. In October 2020, DRDO completed the designing of retractable landing gears for Swift. Swift will be powered by Russian NPO Saturn 36MT turbofan engine, which also powers the Nirbhaya cruise missile. Modi government has already sanctioned 3,000 crores to develop a dry Kaveri engine variant which will power Ghatak. Kabini, with the core of Kaveri engine and a dry Kaveri engine variant, is being prepared to power Ghatak UCAVs. Last year, a small version of Delta Wing UAV was developed by ADA and IISc was test flown in Hosur. The UAV utilized a microjet engine and attained a maximum velocity of 190 km per hour during the flight. A prototype of the Swift is expected to be flight tested by 2021. The Ghatak UCAV program, if is able to meet its delivery timeline, it would be a huge success as India will join an elite list of countries which have the next generation UCAV technology, while China is not yet there in the list, giving India a technological edge over China. According to many reports, Indian Navy is also interested for such type of UCAV which can be launched from an aircraft carrier. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.